Hey, math journey. What happens when a function nests into itself 4 times and equals 0? Let's simplify this mind-bending puzzle step by step. Stick around to master this challenge and maybe even impress your math buddies. Let's dive in. Here's the problem. We have a function, f of x, equals to 1/2 x squared plus 5x minus 10. And we're told that, f applied 4 times to alpha equals 0, or in other words, f of alpha equals 0. The question is to find the value of this huge expression. F of alpha plus 10, multiplied by f of alpha, multiplied by f of alpha, multiplied by f of alpha. Seems daunting, right? But don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. Before we tackle this together, take a moment to think about it. I'll give you a few seconds to ponder and come up with your solution. To make things simpler, let's call f of alpha equals to t. That turns the original equation into this. f of t equals 0. And the expression which we need to evaluate becomes t plus 10 multiplied by t multiplied by f of t multiplied by f of t. Okay, now here's the interesting part. Look at the first two terms, t plus 10 multiplied by t. We have to find a substitution for them with the help of main function. Let's see how to do it. We know that f of x equals 1/2 x squared plus 5x minus 10. Adding 10 to both sides gives, f of x plus 10 equals 1/2 times x squared plus 10x. If we multiply through by 2, we get 2 times f of x plus 10 equals x times x plus 10. This is a super handy relationship. If we substitute t for x, it simplifies to 2 times f of t plus 10 equals t times t plus 10. Now, substituting back into our original problem, we get t plus 10 multiplied by t multiplied by f of t multiplied by f of t equals 2 times f of t plus 10 multiplied by f of t multiplied by f of t. To simplify further, we need to figure out f of t plus 10 multiplied by f of t. Let's do that using the same approach as before. We use the same trick. Start with the relationship, 2 times f of x plus 10 equals x times x plus 10. Now substitute f of t for x. 2 times f of t plus 10 equals f of t plus 10 multiplied by f of t. This means our expression becomes 2 times f of t plus 10 multiplied by f of t. Finally, let's do the same for f of t by substituting x with f of t. So, we will have 2 times f of t plus 10 equals f of t plus 10. And here's the kicker, f of t equals 0. Because that's the root condition we started with. Plugging this into the equation gives 2 times f of t plus 10 equals 8 multiplied by 10, which equals 80. So the final answer is 80. And there you have it. We started with a seemingly impossible nested function and broke it down step by step into a clean and elegant result. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Math Journey for more fun math adventures. Now that you've seen the answer, how did you do? Were you able to crack it? Let me know in the comments. And share this video with a friend who loves brain teasers to see if they can solve it without peeking at the solution.